Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Did you know the Tom Muehlenbeck Recreation Center is about to undergo its largest renovation in its 17-year history? Voters approved the $15.9 million project in a 2021 bond referendum. Muehlenbeck is our most popular and heavily used recreation facility. The work will include a significant amount of maintenance, like replacing the roof and the HVAC system. Cosmetic and refresh updates include a new children's pool play structure, a new pool deck, updated locker rooms, new cardio equipment, resurfaced track and gym flooring, and striping to expand the number of pickleball courts available during drop-in play. The center will close on January 7th, so the work can begin. We anticipate it will reopen in late 2025. We encourage you to visit our other amazing recreation centers during the closure. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.